Happy people, hope you guys are doing great. Thank you very much for all the support. Right, today I'm gonna take you through quite a long journey. So this is the most beloved cuisine. Most of people like it, and I personally love it a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through the whole essentials, soup, starter and main course of Chinese cuisine. So I really love authentic Chinese cuisine. So what I'm trying to do today is I'm just gonna do authentic. I'm not gonna add any other extra ingredients or make it a bit of fusion or something. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you guys how does a Chinese authentic restaurant work on a daily basis. Alright, stay tuned guys, thank you. Alright guys, the first and foremost we're gonna start with the main essential for Chinese cuisine is chili oil. So I'm going to show you how to make aromatic chili oil, and this can be used in any recipes, in a different cooking as well. It's going to be amazing. So what I've got is I've got some red chilies, and then I've got some dry spices which I'm going to use. So cardamom, cloves, some peppers and some bay leaves, and I've got cinnamon, and then I've got ginger garlic. Right, we're going to start with the cooking process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some nice sunflower oil. And then we're going to wait until the oil gets heated. Can add a bit more. So now that oil is boiling, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simmer the stove a bit, and then I'm going to add the spices. So what you guys need to do is you need to make sure the whole spices and the chilies and the garlic have give enough time so that the oil get infused with everything. Okay, there you go. I'm going to add that. I wish you can feel the aroma. It's so nice already. So that should be it guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to rest it for at least like 5 to 10 minutes because we're not going to burn them. So everything, the oil is so hot, so it will get all the spices and the chilies and the garlic and the ginger get infused. So that should be it. Alright. So I'm going to show you later, once I'm going to rest the oil and wait until the oil gets cooled down, and then I'm going to strain the oil, and then I'm going to show you the change of the color of the oil. Right? That's it.